the music is a good.
Eardrums diversionized from the words of mine. Just a word of advice, you can't murderize. All my niggas certified, we got certain ties. Streets was the office, we didn't need a shirt and tie. M-I-A-M-I, weather like the Virgin Isles. I ain't got no jury on, cause I'm made of ice. Element surprise, move with the passion of Christ. To Portofino sitting high on the cliff. From a younger dude with a crew and we was working the shift. Yeah, South Park cartoon characters, I'm convinced they never been scared to death while staying calm in the twist. I creeped in a jean jacket, headband and Nikes. I ain't like to dodge fights as I rode my bike. And I was looking at these people thinking they just might make me come out my cool character, break through the smooth barriers, go crazy, CeeLo Green, Nas Barkley. Before I even pulled to the spot, they try to park me. I'm used to dark scenes, that's why I spark green. Why I pour wine, they don't stock these, I gotta order mine. Malcolm X departed at the Autobahn. Seen so many slaughtered, I'm numb, never mortified. All black Audemars, you claim yours was 101. We timepiece monsters, every season we be on the hunt. Jeepers, creepers, America's a baby that's teething, shitting on itself, crying for its next feet. As odd as it gets, it's not even a toddler yet. Gang members got nothing on these congressmen. Plus Ray Liotta and James Conrad, iconic actors who were redemption for these mob guys. We easing on down the road for the third win. Who's bad is up and is stuck, feel the world win. Like young Quincy Jones stuck outside the club till Ray Charles snuck him in. Ought to be young again, but right now it's like I got the power of 100 men. Now's a hit like Michael and Quincy on the run again. Eardrums diversionized from the words of mine. Just a word of advice, you can't murderize. All my niggas certified, we got certain ties. I'm activated, my hair might spark flames. Aviator frames, bandages, laminates, the stage. From a stretcher I wave. Even if I never had 2 arms full of Grammys or a sponsor from Pepsi, I'd still be honorary. Like Quincy on the trumpet, Hit Boy on the drum kit. Nasty like Michael, no vocals, I overdub it. Bouncing off the wall, always starting something. Behind the scenes of the Thriller video, big budgets. Moonwalking, smooth criminal talking. I'm changing colors right now till I'm dark skinned.